Are you getting this?
Run, Brian, run!
It's funny watching you run Jones fucking fell.
It's gonna break out into song, but it's already in the dream and falling.
I hear it recording.
It's probably like bounces, dude.
What?
I bet he's like,
Whoa! What is this? Unicorns!
yeah, he's just like,
This is amazing! We're recording this.
Did you just record Brian running up?
Yeah, and Adam's just dancing. And then you trip it on unicorn.
do an ass flip.
What?
Ass flip.
I'm gonna ask it.
Ass flip.
It's a miracle. It's raining in Tucson.
I know. I am Jesus too. No, it works.
Oh yeah, this is Jesus Christ Almighty.
Dude, I kind of want to go out there and just
And
like,
an Asian.
slide.
Do it. Do it.
Yeah, not my jacket.
Do it.
I'll fucking rip your dick off.
Do it. That's
Dick
very
being on the ground right there.
I'd do it for the lulls, yeah.
I had fucking volleyball practice. It might be canceled.
Nope.
She doesn't cancel it for the rain.
She does that for the lulls.
Are you gonna go run and slide, Asian? She hates me.
Dude, you know what we should do?
My hair smells like hair dye still.
You know what we should do?
Cause I already dyed it last night.
Babies.
Asian, go dance in the rain.
Dude, I want to go run and just like slide. And then
Do it. Just take the jacket off really quick and do it.
Not with my jacket, asshole. I'll fucking rape you! Oh my god. Dude, don't fall my jacket. I'll rape him, dude.
It leaves a trail.
Hey Nicole, go play in the rain. Go play in the rain. I'll give you $20. No, I didn't know. I thought you were really.
Where'd the Asian go?
Asian's right there, dude.
Come on, Asian.
Run, Adam.
Be careful, because Miss Corkville will come out here.
Funny when he runs. Look at him.
He just like. Look, it leaves a track. It does. That's what I was saying earlier.
Oh, water's good.
Any comments, Adam?
No, run like a bitch.